Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here at ARES Garage. Today we're going to talk about our 18036 manual brake fluid bleeder set. It's a three-piece set that includes the 18059 3-liter bleeder, the 18037 reservoir, and 45 millimeter 90-degree adapter here that fits most European vehicles, some domestic and Japanese also. And we're going to be demoing it with our 18034 universal bleeder that can be used on threaded and non-threaded reservoirs. So, and it's really a handy dandy setup. This thing's not included in the kit, it's sold separately. So let's get to it. Take your 18034 universal adapter, and you notice you got a lip here, and you put the claws there underneath. And bring it together snugly. Tighten this ring here to tighten it up, and that'll hold it together. So now you can use, I use quarter drive on this. Remember, everything is plastic, so you don't have to get too crazy here. And just give it a couple of turns to snug it up. Your air fitting swivels independently, which is really nice. And now you're ready to connect the bottle to it. So now you've got this all snugged up. Take your coupler, and it just pushes on just like that. Go ahead and watch your gauge and pressure it up, and as the fluid comes through into the master cylinder, we'll check it to make sure we have any leaks. It's holding pressure, no leaks. So go ahead and take it up to your 10 to 12 pounds. I don't like much going over that. Okay, so now we're ready to go to the wheel and bleed. So now we'll go ahead and open up our bleeder here on the caliper, and as you can see the fluid coming through, and you can just leave this open and it catches it in the reservoir until you've bled enough fluid through there so you know you have a clean system. Tighten it up, make sure you don't have any leaks that way, and always check it afterwards.